The first study of Victoria's most populated bays has found they're generally in good shape. It's the first time research into Port Phillip and Western Port Bays has been brought together in one report to look at their overall health. Cheryl Hall reports.
The fish weren't biting at this spot in Port Phillip Bay this morning, but there were no complaints.
This is beautiful. Fish taste great as well when you get them.
The first stocktake report of the two most populated bays, Port Phillip and Western Port, has found they're in good health.
This is the first time that we've brought together all of the science into one report and also made assessments about some of the key indicators.
Of 50 key indicators in the report, only 4 were rated as poor. In Port Phillip, the drastic decline of flathead populations and the unexplained overpopulation of sea urchins that are totally denuding some habitats. In Western Port, concerns with water clarity and algae caused in part by inflow from the catchment and coastal erosion.
Understanding what it is that is impacting our marine environment in these two bays will help us better understand what it is we need to do with our land environment.
Some of those impacts, the state government and environment groups agree, are due to climate change.
Extremely significant. That's what one of the major priorities that we call for is further research into understanding the impacts of climate change, particularly given the sensitive nature of the intertidal habitats.
We know already there's been some sea level rise. We know that there's been temperature changes and so on, and that's changing some of the fish populations that we have here. Some marine species are coming here which weren't here before.
A similar report into the Gippsland Lakes will be released next year. Cheryl Hall, ABC News, Melbourne.